Hello and welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Stephen. Today we are talking about high blood pressure, a problem that affects many older adults. Most people are told that high blood pressure happens because of too much salt or fluid in the body. While these factors can play a role, they are not always the main cause. In many cases, the real issue is the health of the blood vessels. Inside your body, blood travels through small tubes called arteries. When these arteries are healthy, they are soft and flexible. They gently expand and relax as blood moves through them. This flexibility helps keep blood pressure at a normal level. But over time, several things can damage the inner lining of these arteries. One major reason is high blood sugar. When blood sugar stays high for long periods, it can slowly harm the delicate lining inside the vessels. Another common reason is long-lasting inflammation in the body. Inflammation can irritate the vessel walls and make them stiff. Poor lifestyle habits can also damage the arteries. Smoking, lack of physical activity, and long periods of stress can weaken the blood vessels. As the arteries lose their flexibility, they become harder and narrower. When this happens, the heart has to push harder to move blood through the body, which increases blood pressure. Another important reason is damage to the protective layer inside the arteries. This layer helps blood flow smoothly and protects the vessel walls. When it becomes weak or damaged, the vessels cannot relax properly. This leads to higher pressure inside the arteries. Now let us talk about simple solutions that can help support healthy blood pressure. One important step is improving daily food choices. Eating more fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats can support the health of blood vessels. These foods provide important nutrients that help protect the artery walls. Regular gentle physical activity can also make a big difference. Activities such as walking, stretching, or light exercise help keep blood vessels flexible and improve circulation. Managing stress is another key step. Calm breathing, spending time outdoors, and maintaining good sleep habits can help the body relax and support healthy blood pressure. Avoiding smoking and reducing highly processed foods can also protect the blood vessels from further damage. When we focus on keeping the arteries healthy and flexible, the heart does not have to work as hard. This can help support better blood pressure and overall health as we age.